Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into something really exciting, how to use Ollama and a large language model right on your own machine. So whether you are a developer, a student, or basically a tech enthusiast, this is going to be very super useful for your projects. So let's get started. Alright, let's jump straight into it. So this is a Ollama website. Okay, so first learning about Ollama, let's first thing first, what exactly is Ollama? Ollama is a powerful tool that allows you to run large language models on your machine. Okay, so it's like having your very own AI assistant right on your computer. So best part about this is that you don't need to rely on any cloud services or need to worry about data privacy issue, right? So to get started, head over to this website, Ollama website, and when you will get to this website, by default you will be getting this. You just need to click on this download button, and after that, according to your operating system, you can download on your local machine. So I'm using Mac. So once you download, you will be getting this Ollama exe on your machine. And once you get this Ollama exe, you can just run this exe. And once you run this, the Ollama server will be getting activated on your machine. Okay. And if you need to check if it is working or not, you can write this command as Ollama serve on your terminal. If you're using Windows, you can use CMD. And when you hit this, you can see this on this particular IP, it is listening. Okay. So that means server is already there. And you can check this Ollama repository also on the GitHub. This is official repository, and you can find basically various commands that we can use to learn about Ollama and how to get started with Ollama. So Ollama basically comes with some predefined, pre-trained models, right? So let's check which models are there. If you can click on this model section, so you can see this is the latest one, Llama 3.1, right? So this is also available on Llama. You can try out all these models, whatever present on this Ollama, you can try. Okay. So once you are starting this server, right? Now the next thing is you can check for the commands on this GitHub repository, what you need to do. So it's all these models are also listed here. Okay. And once you have these things, right, you can just pull any of the model. For example, uh, using this Ollama pull command, you can pull any of the model. For example, let's pull Ollama pull 3.1. I already have, so let's do Llama 3. Okay, so once you hit this command, you will be getting this type of response. So you have to wait until this model is getting downloaded on your local machine. Okay, so this usually takes time because this is a very heavy, not heavy, I think this is the most basic model. There are many big models that are trained on more parameters that you can use also. For example, to show you guys, I'm just pulling this model for now. Okay, and I already have one model which is Llama 3.1. I can start working on that meanwhile it is getting downloaded. Okay, okay. So if you run this command again, uh, now we know I already have Llama 3.1. Okay, if I do this, right, it is saying pulling manifest, but it is already there. So it gives me that it is already success, right? Now to run this model, you just have to do is Llama run and whatever model you are trying to use. So we already have 3.1 version, so we'll run this. Okay, so once you run this command Ollama run Llama 3.1, right, it will give you this kind of response, and then you can start putting your queries, right, just like you do with ChatGPT or any other maybe generative AI model. Okay, uh, for example, put your any query like write a Python program. to reverse string. If you hit enter, it will right away giving you it will be right away giving you the answers that you need, right? And this is just like any generative AI model, but this is all happening on your local machines. It is using the computing power of your local machines. So the things to basically catch over here is that the more your powerful the PC is, the more the response will be actually coming faster. If it is a very complex problem, then it may take time if you don't have any high-end PC or something like that. But it works with the minimum bare specs also, and you can ask any of the queries. Now the question is how you can use these kind of like models in your programs basically, right? So you can use like request libraries if you are using with Python, right? You can use request libraries and to interact with the Ollama's local API and right away start using with your projects. Okay, so I can show you the example of how you can utilize these LLMs in your Python code in the next video. For now, you can try with this and try other models also. Try downloading other models also, and try the response of each of the model. Which one is better for your project, and you can right away start using that. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.